knowing those design processes is actually really, really important. And bringing in AI into that is causing us to rethink the way we do things.
It's really interesting. I like the foundation workshop, which I haven't had before. And I like the collaboration, the vision, and I also like the enthusiasm that comes with it.
Firstly, I love the energy in the room. I think that everybody that's come here today is here to learn. The second is people are open. They're open to learning and growing. We don't have any papers in front of us, so people are scrambling to do things. I saw some people doing a Miro board, and I saw other people taking notes in a scrapbook or on a post-it note or whatever it was. They're all learning in their own way.
When I moved over to this part of the business, because it almost seemed like every week there would be at least one workshop or learning that we could go to around AI and how we can use it. And that's when I started to really clue on that this is a tool for us to use, and so that we have more time to do what makes us good at our job. I think the workshop already has given me more confidence to use AI the way I had thought we should use it, but I just wasn't too sure. So understanding that there is a lot to be said for how we ask it to give us information and to speak to the audience that we want it to speak to, I think it's going to give me more confidence to use it further in terms of my day-to-day work.
Yeah, well, I just see it as just another tool to aid in that part of business analysis that I've been doing for 30 odd years. But it would help guide the conversations that I have a little bit better and provide better guardrails for me, I guess, in performing those sort of tasks.